guys, and welcome to my uni vlog. Gonna make this sound like a damn podcast, I swear. I go to Yonsei University, and I'm a double major in bioconvergence engineering and justice and civil leadership. I know it's a mouthful, but it's basically pre-law and pre-med because I want to learn both worlds. I know everybody says that is too much, you can't do that, but you know, I wanted to and I did. And that also on a full scholarship. Not flexing, but I'm just proud of it and proud that I was able to maintain it. You gotta maintain a certain grade for it and it's stressful, but now I feel like I'm a senior and I've mastered the uni life. And I wanna share my tips and tricks with you. Here's me just eating.
Everybody left, now I can talk. My ramen is gonna take 4 minutes to cook. I'm gonna eat and then drink coffee. I had my vitamin C drink. Really makes you feel awake. And I'm gonna have my ramen.
To focus better and be more productive is definitely to eat well. I didn't used to eat well, and I swear to God I would never be able to focus in class, but ever since I started eating good 3 meals in a day, I feel much more energetic, and I also have anemia because of my bad eating habits in the past. So that's what I'd like to tell you guys. We are going to the Yonsei merch store now. I honestly am most of the time alone in uni, and I really enjoy being alone now. I think that's what 4 years living in a foreign country does to you. Anyways, Yonsei store is super cute. It has almost everything. And now we're going to the library. I usually go to 5th, 6th floor for a good view while studying because that makes me happy, and when I'm happy I study better. And I'm gonna do a little haul for you guys now. And you know, the sticker noise was really loud, and you know, it's a library, it's awfully quiet and extremely quiet, and I had to open those again and again. It was kind of awkward, but you know what, I just did it and I was so happy because stationery makes me want to study even more, for that day at least. Yonsei pencil case and stickers, and the next day I bought pens because I have a certain limit that I spend in one day, and I was crossed when I bought these things, so the next day I bought pens. But I bought this pencil case and it was so cute, and bye-bye to my old pencil case and shifting everything from the old one to the new one. I paid my electricity bill while being in library, taking my iron supplements because I told you I'm anemic. Doesn't really affect my life or anything, but I have to take those supplements every day. It genuinely makes me feel more energetic. I spend hours studying in the library. Library is the best place for me to study. I really recommend you finding a place where you genuinely feel at peace and you see people around you studying. It motivates you. So I think library is an ideal place to go study. Find your ideal place. Your brain will start associating the place with being productive, and you will instantly find yourself having the motivation to work hard like I did. This was my outfit. It was pretty basic. Just my major concern dressing up for college is comfort and nothing else. But at the same time, I don't want to look like a clown, so I don't wear pajamas and come to school. So I stick to comfort clothing. This is the view from 5th, 6th floor. That is why I study there, because it's gorgeous. And when you take a little break to up your eyes from that, it's nice. And now I'm going out to my second class of the day. Now we're gonna go to second class, which is global diplomacy and governance. We have a Mahatma Gandhi statue there.
I'm so happy. But I learned a lot today in class. I had fun because I had my law classes today, and they're always so nice because you get to talk a lot and discuss, and you know, everybody's like super smart and like talks about, like, it's so intellectually pleasing for a sapiosexual person like me. Today I learned about, let me tell you about all that. Today we talked about how when you go to law school, is there a person behind me? So I learned that when you go to law school, what you're doing is only getting like passive knowledge of law. Like, you're just learning what's existing out there. You're so busy learning that you don't have the energy to sort of like criticize. I'm still not that, you know, I don't kind of person, because this is still my college and people are still maybe, actually no, I don't really have any friends, so I don't think anyone recognize. Yeah, so, and then I learned about the law class that we are taking. It's called Introduction to Legal Studies, and we're gonna learn about law in a more critical manner as a law student, how we should deal with it, and I found that really interesting. Second class, which was global governance and diplomacy, we talked about the whole diplomats and learn about diplomatic expertise and negotiations. I think it was so fun because we're gonna like get assigned countries and we're gonna debate on like, you know, issues, existing issues, and learn about diplomacy. And the sun is hitting rain. Now I'm going home to the org. It's so exciting. I think, as you probably already noticed, I'm mostly like alone in school because I don't really have a lot of friends. Like last semester I made a lot of friends in a lot of classes, but today was the first day and almost all of my friends are on a leave of absence after working hard. The flower lady below my house is so kind. She gave me like one extra tulip as service. I was like only getting one and she gave me one, and I asked her like when peonies will come and she said next month, so I'm excited. Bye-bye.
Who wants this? Sit. Sit down. Sit. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it to my little baby. My little baby.
Okay, but in international organization, if the flight is more than 7 hours or 8 hours, even though you are just a president, it's an international standard. So we try to have a job at international organization. That's a good option. One of my students is working at World Bank. You make friends, such friends. You make such friends. Why not? Making friends, that's possible.
No exam was it for me, so, and Paris Agreement environment I genuinely care about, so yeah, I really enjoyed studying that. And this was my last class, molecular biology, and then we go home, and this is the Yonsei club fair, and we're home. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Your support means everything. Bye.